I love these Purring 4-gallon trash bags. They are so great for using in any small trash can. We use them for our bathroom trash cans and our cat litter trash can. Very standard bag, but they are exceptionally strong. Let's pull one out here. They come in this very sturdy box with a great pull out to get your bags. Come out kind of like Kleenex. And each bag is a slightly purplish color. And you just pull them right open. Very easy to slide open, very strong. I cannot break this easily. As you can see, when I pulled as hard as I could, I stretched it, but it is still a solid bag. So this is the Purring 4-gallon trash bag, and if you are looking for a very sturdy trash bag, this is the one.